Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to accept GroupMe terms and conditions. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to accept the GroupMe terms and conditions. First, download the GroupMe app on your Play Store or App Store by searching GroupMe and tapping Install. Once installed, open the app and either sign in or choose to create a new account. If you select Create Account, you can use your Google account to speed things up. Next, fill in your name and optionally add a profile picture. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a statement about agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure you read this carefully. Then check the box next to the I agree. After checking the box, you might also be prompted to review some optional settings like notifications or syncing contacts. Take a moment to adjust this to your preference. Once that's done, the app will allow you to continue, and you're ready to start using GroupMe with your account fully set up. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.